Hello everyone, I'm Renika Devi from ITC. Today I'm going to explain about the JavaScript. Some of the topics in this we will cover some of the topics. Now I'm going to explain the topics variables in JavaScript and conditional statements, arrays, loops and objects. And also we'll discuss about the Node.js and how to install the packages in Node.js. Let us discuss about the variables firstly. And variables are the user to store the values, and they can make a program flexible and dynamic. Declared using the variables keywords like var, let, and the constant. Let us see an example on the variable. Let us see here an example. Let name is equal to rank. Here let is the keyword and this is the name is the variable. And this is a name. Renuka is declared with the variable name. And constantly, this is a key. Const is the keyword. Now let us move to the next one, which is conditional statements. And conditional statements are help to make a decisions in a program. They can check the certain conditions are true or the false. Based on the condition, they will implement the programs. Commonly used statements are if and else statements and else statements. Let us see here as an example in conditional statement. Here we'll declare the marks with let keyword is equal to 85. Here this if condition in this will write a condition marks are greater than 90. If the marks are greater than 90, then this console.log extent will be executed. And as if the marks greater than or equal to 75, this will be executed. If the else if else and else if block are not executed, it goes to the else block, then it executes the fail. And now we are going to the next topic, which are arrays. An array is a collection of multiple values that are stored in a single value. Each value in array is called an element. Arrays makes it easier to handle lists of items, and such as names, numbers, and colors, some other etc. Now let us see an example on the arrays. Here we'll take array let fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. Here fruit of 0. Here it will bring the habit because in arrays the index numbers will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and x. Here the apple has index number 0 and the banana has 1, cherry has 2. And fruits here push means which will add an element into the arrays. So then the final output when push okay, will be apple, banana, cherry and grape. Now let us go on to the next topic, which are loops. And loops are generally used to repeat a block of code in several times. They are useful when performing the program. Same action for multiple items. Common types of they include the loops, while and the loop for each loop. Loops help us to reduce the repetitions and make a code very simpler. Here we see an example that the colors equal to red, green and blue. And the loop will be executed when the condition should be false. And this is the condition. Yeah, let's move into the functions. Functions are the reusable blocks of the codes that perform a specific task. They help in to run the program. A function runs only when it is will be called. Let us see an example on this. Here we'll write that the function greet name hello, and the final output for this is hello ring. Let us going to the next topic, which is objects. Objects are the Objects are the collections of data stored in key values. They represent the real-world entities like persons, calls, or students, etc. Each key has a corresponding value which can be text, number, or anything. Objects makes it is a group related to the information together. And this is a small example for the objects. And we'll know. Well, briefly knew about the Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows the JavaScript to run outside the browser. It is commonly used to build the web browsers, APIs, and chatbots. It is a fast and scalable, efficient for the backend development. And let us know how to install the packages in Node.js. There are many packages are there in Node.js we have to install. We can download the Node packages from the npm website. And packages are the firstly the packages are the pre-built modules that add the extra features to the Node.js projects. They are installed using the Node package manager, like as I said before, npm to build a Telegram chatbot. And now, well, this is about installing the packages in Node.js. Now, let us discuss about the Telegram chatbot, how to create it.